have a question for you. Do you know whatever happened to? Do you know whatever happened to Abdul?
Can't hear you. That's all right.
Have you? Do you know whatever happened to Abdul?
Abdul?
Yeah.
No.
You know that I don't see him ever around.
I don't see him no more.
Did he
I
move
think
away?
Moved.
Did he move?
I think he moved.
I hope he didn't pass away though.
I just don't know. Yeah, I haven't seen him come up here.
Like close to over a year, close to.
So I don't know.
All right. Yeah, because there's like 2 houses down there.
Yeah, I know, but I don't see him.
So maybe he moved or maybe passed away. You never know.
I don't know what happened.
All right.
So
Just wondering. Just wondering. Take care of yourself.
You be careful.
I will. You too. Don't overwork yourself.
I kind of miss them myself.
Yeah.
Really, so
Yeah.
be careful.
Mm-hmm. I have a question for you, if you don't mind. Do you know whatever happened to Abdul?
What?
Abdul. Like he lived like 2 or 3 houses down. He was always walking around here. I haven't seen him for close to a year. You don't know? You don't know him? Or you never saw him? All right, just asking.